This little doohickey is called, I played Mario once and don't remember how the water level sounded, but it kind of sounds like it. That got a little too passionate for me, dude. Hey, high five, buddy. Yeah! All these awesome cars in the garage, and my biggest concern is having fun with this guy right here. We've had a lot of great response to this car, and I'm very grateful for that. We've had a lot of recommendations as well. A lot of Civic enthusiasts coming out of the woodworks, and I'm appreciative of that. I'm gonna need a little bit of help here. So today, oh, it smells terrible in here, dude. Oh God, this smells like Uncle Joe just smoked like 17 cigarettes in here, farted a million times, and then like left it in a sauna. What we need for this guy is a new hood. Like, you guys can see how terrible that is. I'd like to maybe try and get a new front bumper. I would love to get a new fender so that I don't have to do body work to this, and even another fender. So today we're gonna go shopping for some goodies. So I got a bunch of 10 millimeters there. Ooh, that's been like really beat to hell. That's an interesting little one right there. Those are also 10 millimeters for the hood. I'm gonna go to the junkyard today to get a few parts for this little guy. About 10 minutes after getting inside from getting home after buying this car, I purchased a turbo kit, a front lip, wheels, tires, I think headlights, taillights, like some other accessories and stuff like that. And man, I gotta tell you what, dude, even after owning a Miata, it's so mind-blowing how cheap stuff is for this car. I'm so excited about it. You're gonna see the tools that are required to take an entire front end apart on a Honda.
Bring our own tools.
Yeah, here's what you need. I got this for safety measures, and then I got another 10 mil, but basically, you can take the entire front end of a Honda apart with this right here. So I've never been to one of these places before, but a lot of you guys might know what a pick and pull is. You go there, you pay like $2 to get in, and then you go and find literally any part you want, and they have like a database, a generic database. So like any fender for any car is like $30. Any hood for any car is like $60. They just have this huge database where you just go and you find your stuff, you pick it, you pull it apart yourself, you go in there, and you come home with whatever in the hell you want, assuming the car that's there, the donor car, has the stuff you need. Taking the hoe off-roading, I guess. Getting into this. Okay, this is definitely, don't know where we are right now. Okay. All right, so that was where we were at. Now we're here. So many cars out there. And people, so many people. And this dude caught on fire, man. There's a lot of crazy crap out here. So it's just basically a bunch of cars that have been quite literally picked apart. And everything's really cheap, so you see a lot of people out here getting stuff for, you know, some people just buy parts and flip it. Hopefully it's not just completely molested and ripped apart. I see it. Oh, somebody took the hood. The hood's already gone. So they have a bumper, and the fenders are gone too. I mean, this bumper's really not in awful condition. Like, it's got a little bit of a break there, but it's way better than mine. And they do have, we'll see, that fender's way worse than mine. Man. Dude, somebody literally took the valve cover off of it, and they're just, you know, exposing the little bits to the sun. Boom. Oh, one more. It's not a Honda if there's not at least 2 zip ties holding it on. I think I want to take that home. This is definitely a better bumper than we have, for sure. Haha. How you doing, bro? Really good that we found this, but I still need a hood. There's another pick and pull like right down the road, I think.
Yeah.
We're gonna go check that one out because I need a hood. All right, we made it to the next place. Let's hope, I think, Victoria, you said they had like a few Civics here. Oh my goodness, that's several Civics here.
Yeah, they had a handful of our year generation.
I don't care about the color. I just do care about condition. I see it, I see it, I see it. It do have a very crunched fender. Man, no luck. What's with people wanting the hoods for these things? It's got a kind of a hood.
Bent
And it's bent, so it don't have a hood. Yeah, it looks like I got a better condition Civic than any of these cars. We got a couple more. Let's go try and find them. Bruh, still none. It's a 4-door, so I can't take their side skirt. Whole ass engine's gone, hood's gone. We do have this. This panel's not bad, but man. And here we go. The last Civic in the lot is again. Is it a 2-door? It is a 2-door. I could rip off the side. That's a horrible side skirt, man. And look at this nice hood. I feel like somebody's like monopolizing the hood market here. Somebody's going through all the yards and like, oh, that's a nice hood. Take it.
I think that's what's hard about this stuff is like there's a plethora of parts here, but you never know like what's actually here.
I was ready, dude.
Ed lost his badge.
Ed? Oh man. Sorry,
if you know Ed at neighborhood Walmart, let him know his badge is
Ed,
there.
dude, sorry, man. Back home. Same but different. So aside from this super sick front bumper we got rolling here, I also got some really cheap mods off of eBay. Let me go show you the official first mod that we did to this car. Okay, ready? Ready? It's lit, bro. It's lit, bro. It was like 20 bucks. I need it. It doesn't fit that great, but it's all right, dude. That might be a little ricey for some people's taste. I did get some really cool stuff. So first off, I have seats coming for the car or whatever. I bought like a quick release and steering wheel. Steering wheel's not here yet, but I bought like a quick release and stuff. So I've been doing some interior kind of stuff with it. Let me show you guys this. This is pretty cool. I love the clean side marker look. Okay, can we don't be stuck in the bag? This looks nice. These were like, I think $15 on eBay, and they're gonna replace this absolutely ugly unit right there. This amber signals are just disgusting. So I believe these just like, I believe I have just like one bolt, one little thing right there. And this thing should really just actually, hey, look at that. It doesn't even have a bolt at all. For like 30 bucks, I got a nice little front lip to sort of accent the front of the car. Oh, cool, it actually has hardware.
Really?
Nice. Oh, they're self-tappers, that's not hardware. I think this is like 30 bucks, dude. All right, easy enough. Got our little lip. Went ahead and put that on. You know, actually, it doesn't look too bad. It kind of gives it a nice little touch. It'll look better than that for sure. And this, I like it because it's actually got the stuff I need in it to keep the bumper rigid. Like this thing is literally gonna fall apart at any moment. Yep, yes sir. Oh, they've actually had it on the sides. Oh, really sick? They actually have self-tappers inside of here to keep it on. Nice. Look at this piece of junk, dude. Huge rip there. How many things do you have to smack into? Anyways, whatever. Let's go ahead and get this little guy on it. All right, so Victoria's driving her race car, and now mine is just about ready. Check it out, boys. Ooh, yeah, there you go. Yeah. Yo, still doesn't even look cool. You know, honestly, I don't mind. I don't really mind the lip kit. It looks kind of nice. Guys, the car is gonna be one color eventually. Like, just know that. I'm going to like sort of try and do my best to revive this car. But for now, we have a really crappy hood, and actually it kind of makes it look a little bit better up front. Personally, I'm a really big fan of the clear side markers. I wouldn't say like these specifically are like JDM by any means, but I know like on S2000s, it's a big deal to get these clear side markers. I will say that I still enjoy these a lot more than these pieces of junk. I don't know. Maybe some people like that look. I think I really dig the clear. What do you think?
It looks good. I like it a lot better.
The lip actually fit really good for something that I just got off of eBay.
Oh yeah, I didn't even notice it.
Honestly, it kind of looks not too nice, just right in between. I'll end up doing some sanding and stuff like that on this front bumper and make it look. I'll make it look nice, and we'll get it all one color. But you know, I would personally prefer you know, having paint coming off than literally having my bumper rip apart. Let's actually go in here and see if those little side marker lights work. Oh, hell yeah, dude. Oh, sick, bro. So damn, bro. You want to take the beast for a ride? You can finally learn how to like really drive stick in this. I'm warning you, it's pretty fast.
Oh, that smell.
Yeah, it smells horrible. I wish you guys could smell the smell. I really genuinely, like, from the bottom of my heart, wish you could smell it so bad. There you go, dude. And so this is like one of the most forgiving, easy manuals to drive. It's so nice. Okay, yeah, see? Easy peasy, look at that. Look at that. Look, you know how to drive manual. Now we're gonna show the neighbors who's the boss, who has the most badass car of them all.
It is really forgiving. It's so much better than your
I'm telling you.
unsprung 6-pack clutch.
The Z sucks. Z unsprung clutch, SC 6-puck drift car clutch, and Evo very stiff clutch. So now you really have like the, I mean the R33 is easy. Yeah, I know. You can't, it's like you almost can't even stall this car.
I dig it.
I say you can take this to the store and you can just drive it around whenever you want, babe. Woo! Hey guys, let's check out my Honda Civic.
That was a good one.
I know, yeah, so you got it. Boom, boom, look at that. Teamwork.
Well, I stalled right in front of our house, so.
That e-brake works good. I could take this to a lot and like just...
I'm really glad you didn't like smash into the flowers of the house. I'm just kidding.
So it's gonna conclude our first junkyard find slash first cheap mods for the Civic. That was simple stuff. We're beyond to much bigger and better things for this baby girl. She's gonna be swift soon enough. I've said this before in lots of variations, but I wanna say it this way. Contentment is not situational. It's a state of mind. Happiness, joyfulness, it's not situational. It is a state of mind. So next time you think to yourself, oh, I'll finally be happy whenever this happens, or I'll be happy whenever I get this job, or this girl, or this man, or this whatever, with this car, just know that contentment is a state of mind. You will not be content until you learn how to be without having some exterior force making you feel that way. Peace, love you guys. I got 2 videos for you right there, baby. Dude, these birds are singing. You guys hear this? I think they like my Honda, dude. And I think they're telling you should watch one of those 2 videos that are right in front of you, because I know you definitely should.